Everyone, welcome to the channel. It's Professor Cartouche, and in today's video we are going to deal with the polynomial inequalities, which is a very important topic in math. So let's first start by taking a beautiful example. The example is as follows: we have x squared minus 5x plus 6 is greater than 0. So in this case, everything is on one side of the inequality, so we have nothing to do, else we have to move everything to one side of the inequality. Next is to what? Is to factorize. Now we have to factorize it. This is a second degree polynomial, so I did show you the method in previous video. So we need to find two numbers that if you multiply them will give me 6, and if we add them they will give me minus 5. Those two numbers are minus 2 and minus 3. So the factorization will come as x minus 2 x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. Next step is to what? Is to find the critical values, which is very important when we deal with polynomial inequalities. The critical values in this case will be x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then our first critical value is x is equal to 2. And the second one is x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then you have x is equal to 3 as the second critical value. So critical values does separate the line. So we have 2 right here, we have 3 right here. So everything that is less than 2, so where x is less than 2, this is the first part, where we have x is between 2 and 3, which is the second part. And the third part is where x is greater than 3, which is here. So these critical values separate the line in this way. Now we have to test the answers for each one of the intervals. Okay, so how can we test this? We take each part of the interval and we try it. So let's say we have x is less than 2. We take x is equal to 0 and we test it out. So 0 minus 2 times 0 minus 3. It will give me minus 2 times minus 3. It will give me 6. 6 is positive, then it is true, because we have here that it should be positive. Next, we test it out between 2 and 3. Okay, so between 2 and 3, we can take the number 2.5. So 2.5 minus 2 is greater times 2.5 minus 3. Okay, doing that will give me is equal to minus 0.5 plus 0.5 times minus 0.5, which will give me something negative. That's why the second one is not. So we have this out of the case. Third, we have x is greater than 3. We can take, let's say, 4. So for x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4, here x equal to 3. Here we took x is equal to 2.5. Now we do, so it's 4 minus 2, 4 minus 3. So it will lead to 2 times 1, which is 2, which is positive. Then we have it. So we have this interval and this interval. Okay, so the middle interval doesn't work. So the final answer is what? The final answer for this polynomial is these two values, which are, we have that x is less than 2 and x is greater than 3. So the solution is what? The solution is x is less than 2 and x is greater than 3. So quick tip for your exam: if you have polynomial inequalities, never stop after factorizing. You must test the intervals to know where the expression is positive, where is it negative, based on your initial expression. If you enjoyed these types of videos, please consider liking this video, sharing it with your friend, commenting down below what you'd like me to cover in next videos. It was Professor Cartouche with you. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.